As-salamu alaykum everyone. You have seen him in memes, you have heard stories, but what if I told you this uncle, yes, the one from the memes and edits, was more than just a crazy man with weird mustache. He had some very dark ideas, and some people today still admire him. Let's break down the truth. So, who was this uncle? He was born in 1889 in Austria. Later, he became the leader of Germany's most feared political party and started World War II. He blamed all of Germany's problem on Jews, calling them parasite, which they are, and wanted to erase Christianity and replace it with ancient pagan stuff. Why? Because he believed those rituals made him and his people stronger. Then, why some people call him a hero? Let's be real. Some people on the internet try to make this uncle look like he was a legend. They say he fixed Germany's economy or he was a strong leader, but they skip the part where he was into some dark rituals, darker than your career. Memes make him look cool, but those jokes hide the horrified truth. That's not bravery, that's brainwashing. The AHNENERBE strange obsession. This uncle had a secret group called AHNENERBE. Sounds spooky, right? Well, it kind of was. They searched for ancient ruins, magic spells, even mind control tricks. They went to Persia to find fire worship texts and to Sweden to study carvings. They believed these secrets would give them the superpower level control. He had a plan to replace religion. This wasn't just about war, it was about beliefs. He wanted to wipe out Judaism and erase Christianity. In its place, a new kind of religion based on old symbols, chants, and rituals. He thought these gave power to his party. Even today, some artists copy these pagan vibes in the music or fashion. But the connection to his time is shaky and most don't even realize where those symbols came from. What if he was alive today? Imagine if this uncle ruled now. With today's internet and tech, scary. He would probably use fake news, secret signs, and manipulation to control people. Jews, gone.
Bye bye, Israel!
Christians, silenced. Muslims, he would either make deals or crush them. Would he succeed? No. History already exposed him, but people still fall for his lies. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't fall for the flashy edits and twisty history. Until next time, As-salamu alaykum.